Okay guys, so Mercy Fit, my niece, her birthday is going to be next week, so I'm going to do some decorations for her birthday party. So my sister printed these out and I'm going to be cutting these out, and then I'm going to use the construction paper to make like some boots, well, some boot prints. I'll show you guys what that looks like. And then I got some red paint because I wanted to do like the Pizza Planet logo on a piece of cardboard that I have. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. There's Jessie painting the Pizza Planet sign. And then I'll show you guys what I'm working on. We already have these little, oh, let me zoom out a little bit. These little boots right here. We're gonna write her name and then they're gonna be like taped all over the floor. So there's that. And then we have this little sign. And then we have, what are these called? I forgot. Like naming cards for the different things we're gonna have on her table. And then this is like the template of her chip bags. This was just an example, but we're gonna go pick the real paper up today. So this is what they will look like. And then over here we have these, what are these called? Like, I don't know, we're gonna put them on the juices like this, the little wrappers like that, and that's gonna go on her candy table. And then Jessie is gonna work on some other signs. And, I almost hit my face. We're watching a movie. Preparing Mercy's little goodie bags.
Noticing that someone might have been eating some of these candies.
I know, there's 20 goodie bags and this was supposed to have 28, and I was like, oh my god, they scammed you. She freaking ate them. I was about to go back to Mexico and find out. So here we are trying to work on Mercy's decorations. I did these 3 boxes and it took both of them to make that one box. Oh my god. Y el tío, bien, gracias, dormido. Okay guys, so a little update on the boxes. I have 2 boxes over there, the red ones, and then I'm doing a green one and a blue one. I'm currently working on the blue one, and then the last one's gonna be a yellow one. I probably should have done the yellow one first because I only have 1 brush, but that's fine. I'll show you guys what they look like when I'm done. But yeah, that's kind of our progress so far. Okay guys, so this is how the boxes are looking. I ran out of yellow paint, so I'm gonna have to go get some and do another coat, but that's how they're looking. Now I'm gonna go print out the letters. These are little Mercy's chip bags. It went from this flat to being a little chip bag. Here's the other ones that I've done so far. I have a couple more left.